Welcome to a quick video from Leverage Business Apps. Today we're going to go over how to program a button. So you see on our app we are at our home page and we have a few other pages. We have a home, a computer inventory, and an edit device. And when I click this button, I want it to take me to the computer inventory. So if I click on the button, you'll see you have all these options on the left. We're going to do on select. So on select, you'll notice it's currently false. We want to change that, and we're going to say navigate. That's the syntax for it's going to take you to another screen and where we want to go. So for this, we want to go to the computer inventory screen. Close the brackets there. And now if we test it and click computer inventory, there we go. We've landed at computer inventory.